Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So don't mind the extension cord and the charger. I'm just charging an RX22R here. But when I got it running, I noticed that we had an oil leak. So this is a really good video to show you guys how to fix this oil leak, because it happens. So we're going to come to the side. And I'm going to have to put my camera down there. There you go. Okay, let's take a look. I noticed it's leaking from right underneath here. Now, if I look underneath here, I know you guys can't see underneath there, but underneath there, there's a little rubber O-ring. This stays for the starter cover here. And that O-ring is broken. So, I'm going to pull this off. And it may come right off in our hands. Or I may have to get a screwdriver. Let's see if it'll pull off. Oh, no. I think I'm going to need a screwdriver. So I'm going to need a little flat screwdriver and we'll pop that off. Excuse me. Dirty. There we go. There we are. So I'm going to pop that off, and there we go. I can see my O-ring's broken right here. And so right now, as soon as the bike starts, it just starts leaking oil. So we're going to have to replace this O-ring. You can't fix it. I could probably do it with high heat silicone if I really wanted to. So I'm going to go see if I can find this O-ring, see if I have one laying around, and we'll get it put back onto the bike and get it all back together. Okay, so I didn't have that O-ring handy, so what I did was I just used a little bit of gasket maker, and I went along and made it the same height all the way along as what that black, it's hard to see, but what that black O-ring was, and I attached the O-ring to the silicone. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let this dry up a bit. And once it gets nice, just regular rubbery, I'm going to go ahead and install it back and see what happens. Okay, so I got my cover. I've let my silicone dry. Now, when you put this in, there's going to be a little bit of a resistance as soon as you hit the O-ring. So kind of give it a twist and a push, and it should pop right in just like that. Then we can put our bolt back in. Just snug it up. Now I'm not going to start the bike. I'm going to let that silicone now dry 24 hours before I try the bike, and then I'll check to see if there's an oil leak here. But it should be good. There shouldn't be any leaks at all, and we should be good. So that right there is how to fix that seal. If you don't have the O-ring, you can use, like I said, a rubberized gasket maker and make it. Sometimes I have to do stuff like that on the fly. I've also gone on long road trips where I didn't have every part to fix my bike, so I had to kind of think on my feet and do things like this. So that right there, guys, is how you fix an oil leak at your starter.